Hello guys, welcome back to innovative design tutorial. So guys, today we are going to create this 2D sketch in AutoCAD. So it is basic tutorial for the beginners who want to learn AutoCAD basic to advanced level. So look how we create this simple 2D sketch in AutoCAD. So here we create this one. So do one thing, first of all check the unit system for this sketch. So we can search from your keyboard, type UN, so it's unit, so click on it, and here the unit will be in millimeter. Okay, so here we create this 2D sketch. So first of all select this line and create one line up to here, make sure it is horizontal to this one. So do one thing, we create 3 circles. So look, the bigger circle will be 70 dia and second circle will be 48 and this third one will be 28 diameter. So here create this one. So first of all go to the circle and here it will select center diameter and create this one. So select this one and make it 70, enter. Again go to this circle, click on it, and if you not find the center point, so simply drag your mouse to this circle, so it will show the point of this circle. Again select this point and make the second circle will be 48 and again select this circle and make the circle of 24. Select this point and make it 28 diameter. Okay, and here we create center line. So select this point, create up to here. Again select line and select this point and make this line up to here. And here we create this circular profile of 8 diameter and number of instances will be 6 number. So here it will 6 number of circular pattern. So create this one. So here we go to the center diameter and select this point. So here we select this point and create and make the circle of 8 diameter, and here it will option to circular pattern. So we use array feature in AutoCAD. So go to the your keyboard and type ARR and it will option array command. So select this one and it will ask the object. So select this circular profile and then make it enter, and here it will option polar. So select this polar. Okay, and it will ask the center point where to be pattern for circular. So select this center point and it will generally 6 number of pattern. Here you can change to this one. So click this keyboard I, enter, and it will apply according your requirement. Suppose we need 8 numbers, so select 8, so it will become 8, and so we need 6 numbers. So select this keyboard I, enter, and here we make 6 number. So it will convert into 6 number. Then okay, and do one thing, which change this second circle to convert entity for reference circle profile. So select this one and go to this layer, select this layer and make it for construction. Okay, again we so we create this sketch. So here look, from this point to this circular line, the gap will be 72. So select this line and select this point and make the line up to here. Make sure it is horizontal, and you can on this ortho mode. Okay, and make it 72. Enter. Now here we make this length will be 84, so make it, here we make it 42 and here we make it 84, so its length will be totally 84. And here we create this circle, this circular two circle from this point. The first circle will be 18 dia and second circle will be 36. So make it, so go to the center diameter and here we select this point and make the circle up to from here point 18 dia. Okay, now again select this one and select this point and make it 36. Here we do one thing, we make the copy of this both circle. So go to the copy command, here we select and select this circle separately. Enter. Now from this point we select here and drag to this point, end point, then okay. So here we make copy on this one and again we select this line, both line, make sure it is a tangent. So select this line and select this one and right click, and here we one option snap overrides and it will ask the tangent feature. So select this tangent, so its line will be tangent to this one. Okay, now exit and again select this line, select this point, right click and go to the snap overrides and here it will option tangent. So select this one and select this sorry, it not selected better. So again select this line, here select, make it snap overrides and one option tangent and tangent to this circular profile. Okay, and here we create this offset of 28, means from this line to this line the gap will be 14 millimeter. So go to the offset command and here it will offset of 14. Okay, select this line and select here, again select this and select this one. So here we create the offset and do one thing, make the trim here. So go to the trim command, so go to your keyboard and type TR, enter and again select the enter. Here we can trim this line. So look, delete this one. Okay, this one also, select this one and okay, here we apply the fillet of 8 radius and here we apply the fillet of 10 radius. So we apply this fillet here. So in your keyboard select this, press F, enter. Now here it will ask radius, so select R, enter, and here we apply the 8 radius of fillet. So select 8 mm. Okay, select this first line and second line. So here we apply the fillet. Again, if you want to apply the repeated command here, so it's better you to enter key. So press enter key, so it will select and here we select. So apply the fillet of 8 radius both this line, and again we apply the fillet of 10 radius to this both line. So again go to the fillet, enter, R for radius, enter, and here we apply the 10 radius. So select this one, select this line, first line and this circular line. Okay, again go to the enter for repeated command and select this one. So here we apply the fillet of 10 radius. Okay, and so we create this line and make sure it is a tangent to this one. So select this line, here we select this one and go to the snap overrides and select this tangent. So it will tangent to this circle, so it will not selected better. Again select this line, select this one, go to the snap and make it tangent. So it will select this one, select this one, okay, and again select this line, go to tangent, again we create the tangent. So select this line and select here, go to the snap overrides and select this tangent and make a tangent on this circular. Okay, here we create tangent. So again we apply this dimension to this sketch. So here we trim, so here we apply the dimension to this sketch. So here go to the dimension and select this, here we select the dia, select this line, make it up to here. Again select enter for repeated command, select this one, okay, enter, and select this one also, okay, and here we change to for reference line, select this one. Now remove this one, okay, here again select this one, and this circle will be 36, outer circle, and this inner circle will be 18, okay. Now here we apply, select this fillet, so go to this radius, select this one, and this will be 8 radius. Now again enter, select this one, and it will be 10, okay, and here we make the distance. So go to the linear, now select this center point and this point, this gap will be 72. Again we select this one, and from this circular point to this point, this gap will be 84, okay, and from this line to this line, so mention here, select this one, select here, and this point, this gap will be 28. Here we can change this color to this reference line, so select this one line, this line, and here we select the layer, and here we can change color. So look how we create this 2D sketch in AutoCAD. So it is basic tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.